Toyama Prefecture is where the mountains meet the sea. Known for its craftsmanship, it's now easier than ever to get to, thanks to the recent extension of the Hokuriku Shinkansen bullet train line. I'm taking advantage of this new access to explore some of Toyama's historic cities. People have been making and trading things here for centuries, and I get to try my own hand at some traditional metalworking. Then it's time to celebrate with the locals at one of the region's spectacular autumn festivals. Takaoka City was once a powerful center of commerce and industry in Japan. Today, Yamachosuji Street is a testament to Takaoka's merchant past, where you can visit authentic dozo-zukuri-style homes like the Sugana residence.
This is one of the largest dozo-zukuri-style house in Yamachosuji district, and they have very thick walls as a fireproof. And they have the double door windows. They also close when the fire happens.
Both commercial and residential, the houses were rebuilt in the 1900s after a fire burnt down more than half the city.
Okay, so this part is the shop area. Now we are in the negotiation room. This room is the most valuable room in this house, and they invite the most valuable clients and have negotiations here.
Visitors can admire the rich details afforded by the merchant's extraordinary wealth, like latticed wall panels and custom-made nail covers. Beyond trade, Takaoka was also one of the country's biggest hubs for metal casting, especially copper. Over the years, many workshops have been shuttered or have moved away from traditional techniques. But the iconic Noosaku factory found a way to maintain its 100-year-old sand casting method by supporting it through industrial tourism.
To pass down the tradition to the next generation, we are thinking that it is very important to show our traditional crafts and also the craftsmen working.
Sand casting forgoes chemical treatment and firing, using natural materials that are entirely recyclable. At Noosaku, each brass and tin object, no matter how small, is handcrafted and polished, one by one. They make it look easy, but can anyone do it? I'm testing my skills at Noosaku's workshop.
This is a pattern for the item you are going to make today. So this bent side down, please put this almost the middle inside the frame.
I'm making a sake cup from pure tin, which is said to reduce acidity and enhance the drink's flavor. You need a firm but delicate touch, so the sand is densely packed without falling apart. After removing the mold, Megumi poured in the molten tin. And just like that, I had a beautiful handmade sake cup. Thank you so much for teaching me how to make this. I'm very happy with my little sake cup.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Education isn't the only way to carry on these local traditions. Every October in Imizu, the Hojozu Hachimangu Shrine Festival brings the whole region out to take part in a nearly 400-year-old celebration. Residents young and old parade around town atop intricate hikiyama floats to give thanks to their Shinto gods and pray for prosperity. The local deity also comes down to earth atop a portable shrine. This year's event represents Imizu's post-earthquake recovery.
1月1日の地震で、いろんな被害がありましたけれども、皆さんの協力で今日無事に山を引くことができて感謝しているところです。この町の中をもうくまなく回って、皆さんが栄えますようにということで、皆さんに勇気を与えていきたいなと思っています。
Mr. Nakano gave me a jacket from his district, so I could join the procession. The energy was incredible, as was the teamwork needed to push these very heavy floats. Today, there are no more artisans in Imizu who know how to make hikiyama, but the customs are lovingly preserved.
囃子や掛け声は世代を超えて大人から子どもへ受け継がれているので、引き山の引き方と合わせて形のない文化が今も受け継がれています。
As night falls, flowers are replaced with lanterns, bathing the streets in an ethereal glow. Toyama clearly treasures its traditions and the people who keep them going. Because of events like this festival, the past will live on through future generations. I felt a strong sense of community here, and it's been a joy taking part in this celebration of local culture.